Tutorial number 12. How to create a breast ultrasound worksheet for sonographers. After launching the app, log in as technologist. If you're not a registered user, watch tutorial number 1, how to register a new user. The link is in the description down below. Select Breast Ultrasound Reporting Worksheet. Enter patient demographics. All fields with red borders should be completed. You can enter the information manually, or capture the patient label, or use modality worklist to populate demographics automatically. To learn how to replace patient demographics with a patient label, watch tutorial number 7, how to add patient label to worksheet or report. To learn how to set up DICOM communications with your network server, watch tutorial number 4, how to set up DICOM communications. The links are in the description down below. Since we have already set up our DICOM communications, we will select the patient from the work list. When you communicate with your server for the first time, you will be asked for authorization and you will be asked to log in again. Select your patient from the work list. Complete any fields with red borders. Select Next. If applicable, enter the information related to previous imaging. If you are comparing this study with a previous one, enter related information. Otherwise, select Next. Select the scope of examination, whether it is a survey or a targeted. Select Next. If the exam is normal, select Normal. If there is a mass to describe, select Mass number 1 and use the descriptors to complete the description. You can describe up to 3 masses in each breast. Select Next. Select Technologist Worksheet. Here you can decide if you want to add a diagram to your worksheet. If you want to add a blank diagram to your worksheet, select Blank Diagram. If you have not saved a blank diagram to your device, watch tutorial number 8, how to add the diagram to Technologist Worksheet. The link is in the description down below. If you want to add your own diagram, select My Own Drawings. If you have not captured your drawings, you will be prompted if you want to capture it now. Select Yes and then tap on the field Add My Own Drawings and select Capture with Camera. Tap Step 4 to return to Worksheet Report page. Select Technologist Worksheet. Select Next. Your worksheet is completed. You can go back and modify your worksheet if you need to. To send your worksheet to PAX, tap Send PDF to PAX. To print your worksheet, tap Share icon and select your printer and then tap Print. Once you are done with this study, make sure to tap Trash to clear all data before starting a new case. If you have any questions or comments, you can always contact us by email support from the login page. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new tutorial.